How to create latte art effect in Photoshop using layer styles. First, place your latte art design. Drag the bottom and top handle. And hit Enter or Return on your keyboard. Click the FX icon and choose the blending options. Select the bevel and emboss. And follow these settings. Select the satin. And follow these settings. Select the color overlay. And follow these settings. And click OK. Go to the filter, blur, and choose the Gaussian blur. Increase the radius to 1 to 2.5 pixels. And click OK. Press Ctrl-Shift-Alt-E on your keyboard to copy merge all layers. And select the patch tool. Make sure the normal patch is chosen. Create a selection and follow this process. And this is the result.